stretched across a broken window pane. You gotta dodge the pots and pans on the floor when it rains. There's a 10-point buck on my living room wall. A squirrel and 2 ducks are hanging in the hall. That hole in my yard is a barbecue pit. A couple times a year we'll throw a hog in it. There's a 4-wheel drive parked in my driveway. I'm a proud and active member of the NRA. Hey, I'm country, I was born and raised in it. I'm country, that's my kind of living. White beans, collard greens, sweet tea, chicken and dumplings. Well, I get up every morning when the rooster crows. I stay out some nights until the cows come home. I'm dog running, deer hunting, fish catching, cow tipping, hay baling, pea picking country. Well, there's my mama in the rocking chair by my screen door. The red, white, and blue hangs off of my front porch. There's my darling in the garden picking black-eyed peas. Kids are bouncing up and down on the trampoline. My truck calls Liz and my champion coon dog. My neck is painted red by the grace of God. My kids say please, sir, thank you, and ma'am. I ain't what I ain't, but I am what I am. Hey, I'm country, I was born and raised in it. I'm country, that's my kind of living. White beans, collard greens, sweet tea, chicken and dumplings. I get up every morning when the rooster crows. I stay out some nights until the cows come home. I'm dog running, deer hunting, fish catching, cow tipping, hay baling, pea picking country. Rooster crows. Stay out some nights until the cows come home. I'm dog running, deer hunting, fish catching, cow tipping, hay baling, pea picking country. Yeah, I'm a dog running, deer hunting, fish catching, cow tipping, corn picking, cider sipping, fight starting, kid raising, wife loving, gun toting, hay baling, pea picking country. I guarantee you I'm country. I ain't scared to be country neither. Country. What's that? Is it like 2 Republican or 2 Democrat?
Is it too far to the left?
Or too far to the right?
Too straight down the middle?
Too black or too white?
Are the biscuits too fluffy?
Is the chicken too fried?
Is the gravy too thick?
Are the peas too black-eyed?
Is the iced tea too sweet? Does it have too much tang?
Are there too many lemons in Mama's lemon meringue?
Too country. Well, now what's that?
Is it too many pearls of wisdom under Grandpa's old hat?
Is it just too old-fashioned?
Or just too antique?
Is the question too strong?
Or is the answer too weak?
Are the roses too red? Is the sunshine too bright? Are there too many stars in the heavens at night?
Are there too many fish that still jump in the stream? Is the blue sky too blue? Is the clean air too clean?
Is the steeple too tall?
Are there too many yes sirs, yes ma'ams, and how y'all?
Is the message too real, too close to the bone?
Do the fiddle and steel remind you too much of home? Is honest and true just not in demand?
Too country.
Too country?
Too country.
I don't understand.
I don't either, son.
I was rolling wheels and shifting gears round that Jersey turnpike. Barney stopped me with his gun 10 minutes after midnight. Said, "Sir, you broke the limit in this rusty old truck." "I don't know about that accent, son. Just where did you come from?" I said, "Where I come from, it's cornbread and chicken. 'Cause where I come from, it's cornbread and chicken. Where I come from, a lot of front porch picking. Where I come from, trying to make a living and working hard to get to heaven. Where I come from." I was chasing sun on 101 somewhere around Ventura. I lost a universal joint and I had to use my finger. This tall lady stopped and asked if I had plans for dinner. Said, "No thanks, ma'am. Back home we like the girls that sing soprano." 'Cause where I come from, it's cornbread and chicken. Where I come from, a lot of front porch sitting. Where I come from, trying to make a living and working hard to get to heaven. Where I come from. I was heading home on 65 somewhere around Kentucky when the CB rang for the bobtail rig. It's rolling on like thunder. Well, I answered him and he asked me, "Aren't you from out in Tulsa?" "No, but you might have seen me there. Just dropped a load of salsa." Where I come from, it's cornbread and chicken. Where I come from, a lot of front porch picking. Where I come from, trying to make a living and working hard to get to heaven. Where I come from, yes, cornbread and chicken. Where I come from, a lot of back porch picking. Where I come from, trying to make a living and working hard to get to heaven. Where I come from, where I come from, yeah, where I come from. A lot of front porch sitting, staring up at heaven. Where I come from, where I come from, trying to make a living. Oh, where I come from.